Good morning. We are doing N9-1 quadratic regression. Desmos will generate a curve of best fit for data that models a quadratic function. It will give values of a, b, and c that can be plugged into the standard form of a quadratic equation. So when you look at your quadratic equation, you have an a. When that quadratic formula is on your formula chart, it is y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. So when you're trying, that's the vertex form, and then we have the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Both of these work. We also have a factored form. We've talked about this, where you have some a in front, possibly, and then your two factors, maybe c or d. Okay, three different forms. The one that we are going to be talking about is this middle one today, where you have an a, a b, and a c. Okay, so when we're looking at this a value that it gives you is going to go here. The b value will go here. And then the c value will go here. Okay, so y'all remember when we did linear regression, we had a formula that we used, which was y1 squiggle mx1 plus b. And when I was finished, I got an m and I got a b that I plugged in, right? So in this case, we have a different formula. It's y1 squiggle ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. And when I have this, it'll give me an a, it'll give me a b, and it'll give me a c. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Desmos. We're going to click the plus sign. We're going to do table. Then we're going to type these numbers into the table. I'm going to put them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I'm going to type these. And if you notice, I do not type the commas. Commas will not work. Okay, so 1056, 1080, 1051, 1020, 980. And then after I type this in, I'm going to type the formula y1 squiggle a x1, and then I'm going to do shift 6 for this 2, plus bx1 plus c. So let me take you through that process. I'm going to do it real quick on Desmos. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1024, 1056, 1080, 1051, 1020, and 980. I'm going to do y1 squiggle ax1. Then I need to get the little 2, so I hit shift 6, 2, plus bx1 plus c. And up pops my a, my b, and my c. And so I'm going to go back to my paper here. So if you have an a, and you have a b, and you have a c. So my equation is going to have y equals, my a value is going to go here, and then I'll have an x squared. My b value is going to go here, and then I'll have an x, and then my c will go here. It's going to be negative 10.4 because we round to the nearest tenth. So if this is a 5, we round this one up to a 4, plus 62.3 plus 974.2. Okay, and that's what you're going to be doing today, is you're going to be typing in those formulas. Okay, so let's go on to the next page. It says we can use the same process to find the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, of a function if given an equation or a graph. So if I have an equation, or if I have a graph, what I can do is I can pull out points. So let's start, if it gives me an equation, what I'm going to do, slide my face over here, what I'm going to do is I am going to go to Desmos. I'm going to type in the equation that they give us. x minus 4 squared plus 2. And I need to be able to pull out points. Okay, you can click anywhere on the graph and get points. If you want them to pop up, you'll need to hit this little gear button and then the table. And it gives me some points. So let's write that down on our notes. So this little gear button. And then the table will give points. Okay. You can also look at the graph and see that you have these points. Like if you don't have an equation, you can look at the graph. This point right here is going to be 4, 2, which I think we have on there, right? If I look here, I got 4, 2. The other one right here is 0, 10. And I can hit enter and get another one, which is 8, 10. So let's go back to our points. We got 0, 10. We got 4, 2. And over here, we have 8, 10. Copies didn't work too great. So we're going to type those in 4, 2, 0, 10. Does not matter the order that you do this in. Then you'll type your formula again, y1 squiggle ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. Okay, and let me do this for you. You can even do it just underneath this table that you have. Just hit plus sign table and then type these in. The formula is y1 squiggle ax1 plus, oops, forgot the squared, plus bx1 plus c. We got 0.5 is my A, negative 4 is my B, and then I have my C. So again, let's put the bones of our formula. We got x squared here, we got an x, and then we have a constant form. And these are the three numbers. So we're going to put 0.5, x squared, minus 4, and then plus 10. Okay, and that's what you're going to be typing today for this. So hopefully this video helped you get started. Have a good day.